I'm going to show you how to set up a Flipgrid account. First of all, you need to log in through the education portal. You just go to flipgrid.com/educator, and then you click on Microsoft login, because this is basically the login through our AUB account. So you put your credentials, and then boom, you are logged in with the internet connectivity that we have. Quite soon you'll be logged into your dashboard, which is the discussion dashboard. The first thing you'll see is there are groups. In my account here, these are the classes where I use the software, this system, the Flipgrid video discussions. And then you can list by topics, and you can see the topics are grouped by classroom, and then with the latest activities, you can really scroll down and see where the latest activity has been. Let's go to the groups. So in different classes, I set up different video discussions. And as you can see, you can add a co-pilot, which can be a research assistant or a teaching assistant or a colleague who you co-teach a classroom with. And each group has a specific code to join, but then these are options that you can decide in the settings. So this is, for example, a setting for a course. You decide, how to join, how students can enroll in this course on Flipgrid. So this is like password protected in a way, and you can decide on how the students can join the platform. In this case, I put the AUB domain name for the students and for faculty. Then you can decide on the features, so how can people follow each other, students follow each other. You can personalize the image, the header, and then how to make sure that the status is active or hidden, for other people to join. I would recommend using student email as a way to control memberships, but you're not going to approve any of them, because students will just simply join the group as you share this information. So once you set up a group, the next step would be to create a topic. In this case, the topic is the question or the video conversation. So you add a topic, and you put a title, you put the prompt, the question basically here, and you can decide to upload media from different sources. You can have, different, really, it's plenty of resources that you can use here. You can set up additional permission settings, such as a password, and you decide how to moderate the topic's discussion. How long is the recording? So if you want really short video responses, you can go from 15 seconds up to 10 minutes. Then you can decide whether to have closed captions or comments. So what type of comments? You accept video and text, video comments only, or text comments only, or no comments at all. And once you do that, you create a topic, and then this is going to be to appear in the discussion under the group that you created. So in this case, for example, I ask the students to share with the rest of the class videos and songs or messages, textual messages about hope. This is, the start of the new semester, so we need some positive vibes. So I asked them to do so, and as you can see, they decided to share some YouTube videos, or poems that they wrote or they found, and this is how it appears. So you go to a comment to the question, and there's a video playing, for example, and you can scroll from one to another very easily. And then there might be a comment below, so there's a link to the original YouTube video in this case. You can add the comment directly there, or you can record the video comment as a response to the students. And you'll, as an instructor, you can provide feedback. You can record feedback, again video with a camera, or you can just type it down below, and you can give a grade, for example, for the ideas and the performance in this video. Using this grading rubric, which is a default in Flipgrid. Of course, you can, as you can see, you can edit the grading rubric. You can decide to use different criteria. You can define your own criteria, of course, for grading these video discussions. And it's basically it. That's it. So you have everything is here. You can you have activities. You can see more, overall in your channel how many hours on time of engagement that you have spent with your learners. You can tweet about it. You can see its different achievements. So the more you use it, the more you're being awarded by saying that. You can see a list of comments and achievements by your students or by yourself. And yeah, that's it. That's how I use Flipgrid in my classrooms. I'm now showing you how to embed Flipgrid into a Moodle page. So I created a basic HTML page on Moodle, and as you can see, it is embedded here in. I put the embed code from Flipgrid, and there's also the possibility, of course, you can put a link. This link opens window to Flipgrid so that anyone can join. This is the conversation before people can just record the response from here. But my point is, I want to have this feature embedded in Moodle so that people do not have to log out from it. So you can join with Microsoft, you can join with Google. I try joining with Google for the sake of this example. And as you can see, once you log in, you have the video question there, and as you can see, it's liquid, so it adapts to the screen size of the browser. It adapts for the phone, tablet, any device. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to use a mobile phone here. So I'm going to record the response, allow the web check the video, and here this is how it looks like from the mobile phone. I'm going to record my response now, and this is my response to what is health communication for you. For me, health communication is wearing masks when I am going out. And this is what I and then I stay. As you can see, this is repeating. Stop. Okay. Next. And then I can edit my contribution. I can put a link in case I found a resource, or I can just write the description. This is my concept. And then you submit. And as you can see, it goes directly to Flipgrid. Done. Finished. And it goes here next to each of the other responses, and then you can close. So we've done this directly embedded in Moodle.